Yo, VR enthusiasts! Welcome back again on MindRide, and today we're tackling the holy grail of VR headsets, the Bigscreen Beyond. This tiny titan promises jaw-dropping visuals, unparalleled comfort, and a revolutionary experience. But are these claims reality, or just virtual hype? Let's strap in and find out. First things first, forget those clunky brick-on-your-face headsets. Beyond looks like it escaped from a sleek, futuristic dream. It's feather-light, barely registering on the scale, and compact enough to fit in your palm. Forget VR neck fatigue. This thing is built for marathon sessions. But comfort isn't just about weight. The custom face scan ensures a personalized fit, eliminating pesky light leaks and pressure points. No more fiddling, just pure immersion. But VR is more than just comfort. It's about seeing is believing. And believe us, Beyond's visuals are mind-blowing. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where lines between reality and VR blur. With Beyond's high-resolution displays and custom optics, you'll experience games with unmatched clarity and detail. From the adrenaline rush of racing games to the awe-inspiring vastness of virtual landscapes, everything feels more lifelike and immersive. Imagine micro-OLED displays packing over 13 million pixels, each smaller than a human hair. Forget the screen door effect, you'll see every detail with razor-sharp clarity. Add in pancake optics for a wider field of view, and you've got an expansive visual feast. From heart-pounding action games to breathtaking cinematic landscapes, Beyond throws you right into the action. Looks are important, but performance seals the deal. Beyond doesn't drop the ball. High refresh rates ensure butter-smooth gameplay, and precise tracking lets you move with seamless freedom. Whether you're dodging bullets in Half-Life, Alex, or chilling with friends in VR chat, the experience is responsive and immersive. Plus, the studio-grade mics ensure your voice comes through crystal clear, fostering seamless social interactions. Remember that personalized fit? It's not just marketing fluff. The face scan process is super easy, using your smartphone to create a 3D model of your face. This ensures your headset hugs your unique contours, eliminating light leaks and pressure points. Plus, with adjustable straps and two-strap options, you can fine-tune the fit for ultimate comfort. Say goodbye to VR headaches and hello to extended play sessions. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price tag. At $999 USD, Beyond is definitely not for the casual VR user. But for serious enthusiasts who crave the absolute best in comfort, visuals, and tech, it's a different story. Think of it as an investment in your VR experience. The custom face scan, cutting-edge tech, and premium materials all contribute to that hefty price tag. But hey, if you're dropping thousands on a high-end PC, why settle for a mediocre VR headset? So, is Bigscreen Beyond the VR Shangri-La? It depends. If you're a casual user, there are more affordable options. But for die-hard VR enthusiasts who prioritize comfort, performance, and cutting-edge tech, Beyond is a game changer. It's expensive, but it delivers an unmatched VR experience. Weigh your budget and VR needs, then decide if Beyond is your path to virtual nirvana. Remember, like and subscribe for more tech deep dives, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Bigscreen Beyond.